几只字
Hello, kids. Guess the country flag. This flag has black, red, and yellow stripes. Clue. Famous for fast cars and castles. What country is it?
何を
Germany.
正解
This flag has a red maple leaf in the center. Clue. Known for hockey and maple syrup. What country is it?
何を
Canada.
正解
This flag is green, white, and red with an eagle in the middle. Clue. Famous for tacos and mariachi music. What country is it?
何を
Mexico.
正解
This flag is white, blue, and red stripes. Clue. The largest country in the world. What country is it?
何を
Russia.
正解
This flag is very colourful. Green, red, blue, yellow, black, and white. Clue. Known for safaris and Nelson Mandela. What country is it?
何を
South Africa.
正解
This flag is blue and white with a shining sun in the middle. Clue. Famous for football and tango dance. What country is it?
何を
Argentina.
正解
This flag is red and yellow with a royal crest. Clue. Known for flamenco dance and paella. What country is it?
何を
Spain.
正解
This flag is green with white Arabic writing and a sword. Clue. Famous for desserts and oil. What country is it?
何を
Saudi Arabia.
正解
This flag is white with a red and blue circle in the middle. Clue. Known for K-pop and kimchi. What country is it?
何を
South Korea.
正解
This flag is red with a white crescent moon and star. Clue. Famous for Istanbul and Turkish delights. What country is it?
何を
Turkey.
正解